5 20-inch carry-on luggage 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 5. 20-inch Airline approved spinner carry-on. Say goodbye to travel stress with our 20-inch Airline approved spinner carry-on. Expertly designed to meet most airline boarding requirements at 22 by 14 by 9 inches, it glides through security and fits effortlessly into overhead bins, saving you time and money. Crafted from 100% lightweight yet incredibly durable polycarbonate, this hardshell beauty resists scratches, keeping its pristine look trip after trip. Navigate bustling terminals with unmatched ease thanks to its silent, universal dual spinner wheels and comfortable 3-stage aluminum telescopic handle. Inside, X-shaped straps secure your belongings, while a U-shaped compartment offers privacy. Plus, the integrated TSA-approved combination lock ensures peace of mind. Travel smarter, not harder. Number 4. Hardside spinner carry-on with TSA lock. Elevate your travel experience with our Hardside spinner carry-on, meticulously designed for the modern adventurer. Crafted from lightweight, durable ABS, this 20-inch carry-on offers superior protection for your belongings, enhanced by an integrated TSA lock for ultimate security and peace of mind. Glide through airports effortlessly thanks to its 360-degree spinner wheels and the robust aluminum telescopic handle, ensuring smooth maneuverability and minimal wrist strain. Inside, our clever zipper dividers and cross-organizer pockets keep everything perfectly in place, transforming chaotic packing into a breeze. And because we believe comfort is key, each set includes a supportive neck cushion, your secret weapon for arriving refreshed. Travel smart, travel secure, travel comfortably. Number 3. Expandable hardshell suitcase with cup holder and TSA lock. Elevate your short trips with our sleek hardshell suitcase, your ultimate companion for 1 to 3 day adventures. Perfectly sized with a generous 41L capacity in a compact 20-inch form, it's designed for efficiency and convenience. Stand out effortlessly with its unique, eye-catching textured design, ensuring quick identification on the baggage carousel. Plus, stay refreshed on the go thanks to the clever hidden cup holder, keeping your beverage secure. Maneuver through busy terminals with unparalleled ease, courtesy of the adjustable 3-section telescopic handle, custom fit for any height and engineered to reduce strain. And with ultra-quiet 360-degree spinner wheels, you'll glide seamlessly and silently across any surface. Travel smarter, always. Number 2. Glacier Smart USB Carry-On Luggage. Meet the Glacier Smart USB Carry-On Luggage, your ultimate travel companion engineered for the modern journey. Say goodbye to low battery stress. This smart carry-on features integrated USB-A and USB-C ports, powered by a cleverly designed front pocket for your power bank and tech essentials. Glide through any terminal effortlessly, thanks to its smooth 8-spinner wheel system and a push-button retractable handle. Your belongings stay secure and protected within a durable polycarbonate shell, complemented by a built-in TSA-approved lock. Inside, a thoughtfully organized interior with zipper dividers and mesh pockets keeps everything tidy and accessible. Lightweight, secure, and incredibly convenient, the Glacier Smart USB Carry-On is designed to elevate your travel experience. Number 1. Softside Rolling Carry-On Suitcase with TSA Lock. Meet your new essential travel companion, the Softside Rolling Carry-On, engineered for seamless journeys. Perfectly sized at 21.65 by 9 by 13.78 inches and weighing just 6.7 pounds, it's airline approved for most major carriers, guaranteeing a stress-free fit in overhead bins. Navigate airport security effortlessly with its dedicated external laptop compartment and quick access pockets for essentials like boarding passes and water bottles. Inside, a roomy 45L main compartment thoughtfully includes dry/wet separation, keeping your 2 to 5 day trip organized and tidy. Security is paramount with a built-in TSA-approved lock, while robust double spinner wheels ensure quiet, effortless gliding through any terminal. Travel smarter, with complete peace of mind. So, that sums up my 5 20-inch carry-on luggage. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time, have a great day.